intlx Solutions, founded by engineers valued for our expertise.
Today we're going to explore renewing certificates on a media server. In this demonstration, we'll begin by placing the media server into a pending lock state. This will allow active sessions to bleed off before it automatically places the media server into a locked state. Because there is no traffic on my lab system, it enters a locked state relatively quickly. Renewing certificates is done from the security section of our AAMS by navigating to Certificate Management and then Key Store. Before we create our certificate, we need to set an enrollment password in System Manager. This is done under Services, Security, Certificates, Authority, and finally Enrollment Password. The enrollment password will be used when we renew our media server identity certificates. Navigate back to the media server and select Create New. Our signing authority will be System Manager. For the certificate-friendly name, type something that makes sense for your company. Fill in the remaining certificate details. To ensure proper integration between System Manager and the media server, ensure you populate the SAN fields with the FQDN and IP address of the media server. Next, type in your enrollment password and select Save. We can see that the certificate has been generated successfully, reflecting the new expiration date of September 7, 2026. We're not done yet though. We need to assign the certificate to the service profiles by selecting the new certificate. Then select Assign under Service Profiles. Under the Service Profiles, assign our newly generated certificate to the application, clustering, EM, OAM, and signaling profiles. Once completed, select Save. After hitting Save, a message appears noting that you must reboot the server to complete the certificate installation. Confirm the message, then open a PuTTY session to the media server. I've opened two PuTTY terminals. The PuTTY terminal on the right demonstrates our media server, which is in a locked state. On the left PuTTY terminal, I'll type the command Reboot. You are prompted if you want to continue. Type Y for yes, then press Enter. You will lose connectivity to the PuTTY terminal as the system reboots, and the media server web interface will show that is unavailable due to a lost connection. This is completely normal. After a few minutes, web connectivity is restored. Clicking on the Secure Connection Lock icon brings up the certificate being presented by the media server. The certificate reflects the new expiration date. To complete the certificate renewal process, we'll delete the old certificate as it's not being used any longer. This activity is performed under Security, Certificate Management, Key Store. Then select the old certificate and choose Delete. A message appears asking you to confirm the deletion. Select Confirm. Our certificate renewal is complete, so we can now unlock the media server to place it back into service. To do this, navigate back to Element Status. Choose the More Actions drop-down and select Unlock. Choose Confirm to place the media server back into service and allow new sessions. The media server now shows it is in an unlocked state. To confirm that Communication Manager can reestablish a secure connection with our AAMS and its new certificates, we issue a list media server from Communication Manager, which confirms an in-service state. Our certificate renewal is complete and everything looks to be in perfect order.
intlx Solutions, empowering people, connecting businesses.